Okay, so here are the key components of the SDR. This is the actual SDR itself. This is a little connector to put on the antenna. So just pay attention, the antenna has got label on it. So there's two, there's a 1090 and there's a, I think the other one is better. It's a slightly lesser number. I can't remember. It's like 900 plus or 800 plus, but it doesn't matter. They're both just good enough. But then, of course, this is a bit more optimal, but they both work just fine. Now on this SDR, so it's important to know this is the top side of it, right? This is the bottom. So sometimes these do arrive with it a little bit bent. So you got to check that the top side, that this USB, the gap is on top here, right? On the lead, sometimes it shows up and then it's a little bit bent, and you just might need to wiggle it a little bit. All right. So how do we put this together? So we take this piece, right? There should be two in the bundle. There's two of these, and what you do is take this and you screw it in, right? This is the first bit. So it's tight, it's good enough. Don't have the over tighten as well, as long as it's there. And then we take this, just line it up, make sure it's straight, and you just push it in. You know it's in when there's a click. There you go, and that's done. So now, normally what I like to do is this is the joint here. I like to stick it upwards. So always hold here, never hold here or here. Always hold the base here on the antenna and bend it like so. And if you ever need to turn, just you can turn it this way. Now sometimes things might come loose, so it's normal if this when this thing droops down, you can just rotate it back. But it's important to recognize that sometimes if this is not tight, it's really loose, right? You can see this. All right, hold on. This turns, but this doesn't, right? So that means it's a sign it's loose. So always hold the nut and you just twist it back. Okay, just make sure that it is tight enough, and that's it. All right, this part is assembled.